download Android Studio. You can download it at website Android Studio. Well, already connect. Just type here, Android Studio. Then, download release of this new feature after downloading result. Like this. Then we install the Android Studio. I double-click. Wait for the process. Next, we click Next. Then Next. Next, we install. Wait for the process to finish. Well, next, we click Next. Then we just tick this. Select More Action, then select SDK Manager. Well, here, already ticked. Yeah, Android. If not later, stay checked, then apply. Okay then, in SDK Tools. Also been checked. Later, if it hasn't checked this one, the most important is ticked, which is this Android. Because we using his Android SDK. So whose Android SDK part has been ticked? Then apply. Okay, yeah. Okay. Well, now let's open the command prompt. We type wait for the process to appear him later. Yes. Okay. Well, here, Android toolchain, Android SDK version 36.1. 0 is already installed. How to install Android SDK version